Experience the perfect blend of university life and home comfort at University Edge Cincinnati. The best of both worlds in vibrant Cincinnati. These snug 3 and 4 bedroom apartments feature cosy beds for restful nights, a productive study space, sleek breakfast bars for quick bites, and in-unit laundry for hassle-free wash days. With heating included in your rent, you'll stay toasty without extra costs. Start your day in the gym, then hit the computer lab or study lounge with speedy internet to hustle hard. Catch a break on the patio, connect with friends in the clubhouse, or wind down with a sizzling barbecue and a movie in the theatre lounge. End the night under the stars in the courtyard. And bring your wheels, because parking's available on site. When you're just moments away from Xavier University and Mount St. Joseph University by car, trips to class are always a breeze. Explore the city seamlessly with buses from Jefferson and Bishop or the light rail at Liberty and Race. Your new home won't wait forever. Book University Edge Cincinnati via amberstudent.com now.